When you're ready to begin your call, simply press anywhere within this large rectangle. That will launch your call and allow you to enter it. Once you're inside your call, the first thing you'll notice is across the top of the screen, your workflow is laid out in nice steps for you. Before we jump into the call itself, however, I'd like to show you a little tasting of what's in the menu. We're going to go into this in greater detail later, but for now I just want to show you a few things. If you select your menu up on the top left, you'll see a series of sub-tabs down the left side of the screen. The first one on top is called Assignment. This is essentially a digital bookmark. If you ever lose your place within the app, pressing this button will bring you right back to the last step you are on with all of your progress saved. Below that, you'll see an Instructions button. Selecting that will bring up that first screen we initially logged into. I consider this a cheat sheet of sorts at this point. You're going to get your call information, your call instructions, and the customer information at the touch of a button right here. Below that, you'll see the Customer tab. This has a treasure trove of information for the techs in the field. Opening this will show you the details screen. Here you will see the customer's profile as it exists in SWRemote. Do note as well, as I scroll through, on the top right your techs do have the opportunity to edit any information that may be incorrect. To the right of that, you'll see any agreements on file with this customer, whether they are current, expired, or terminated. This will show full agreement history with an overview of any agreements that may be on file. To the right of that, you'll see an Equipment tab. This is going to show you all equipment on file back in SWRemote that the tech may be operating on today. You can get an overview of the equipment, and if you need to, up in the top right, there's the ability to add equipment to a file right from the field. To the right of that, you'll see History. Nothing to edit here, simply a reference, but what you're going to see as you scroll down the screen is a look back at the last 10 calls on file with this customer. Finally, we have our Documents button. If you're using Dropbox for your location documents with SWRemote, you'll be able to access any files from that folder in the field. If you're using custom forms through SWRemote, this is where forms from the past will live as well.